Coquito is made many different ways, but here's one recipe you'll be ready to try. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more free recipes. First in the blender, Goya's cream of coconut. This is the signature ingredient of Coquito. It brings sweet, concentrated coconut flavor, adds tropical richness, natural thickness, and the coconut aroma people expect. Sweetened condensed milk adds sweetness and gives the Coquito its rich, creamy body. It thickens the drink and balances the coconut flavors with smooth, dessert-like sweetness. Coconut milk adds depth and rounds out the coconut profile with a more natural, pure coconut taste. It keeps the drink from being overly sweet and improves the overall cream-to-liquid balance. Evaporated milk provides a lighter creaminess without adding extra sweetness. It helps create that silky, drinkable texture so the Coquito isn't too heavy or too thick. To flavor the Coquito, we add vanilla extract, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of the defining flavors of traditional Coquito. Rum is traditional in Coquito. It was originally created as a rum drink. It adds warmth and helps to balance the sweetness. Mix these ingredients together in the blender or whisk them together in a bowl. That's it. Homemade Coquito in under 3 minutes. A creamy, cozy after-dinner drink. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Chill in the fridge overnight. When it's cold, it thickens up and all the flavors really come together. Serve over ice and enjoy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It helps the channel so much. I appreciate it.